Today I'm going to be showing you how to thread your embroidery needle. So we're going to start off with a size 5 DMC embroidery needle. This is my favorite size to stitch with for most projects. And then I'm going to take from my skein of DMC embroidery thread 6 strands. We're going to pull it from the numbered side. If you pull it from the numbered side, it's less likely to get tangled up. So we're going to pull it and we're going to cut off about an arm's length of thread. And then I'm going to separate it into 3 strands. So the number of strands that you use depends on your project. A lot of the times you're going to be using 3 strands of thread. Sometimes you may want a thicker look, and so you can stitch with all 6 strands, or you may want to do thread painting, which would be 1 to 2 strands of thread. So I'm going to go ahead and separate it and just take my finger down the middle to separate it into 3 strands of thread. Once we have our 3 strands, we are ready to thread our needle. So we're going to pinch the thread at the end, and I'm going to take it through the eye of my needle. Then I'm going to pull it so that it hangs down about 3/4 of the way. As you can see there, it has a little tail. And then on the longer end of the thread, I'm going to tie a knot. So the way that I was taught to tie a knot is pinching it in between your fingers, wrap it around your index finger once, and then roll your fingers together, and then pull it so that it's at the bottom. So that's how I was taught. It's a really secure knot, and it just puts it at the back of your thread. And that is how to thread a needle. Hey Stitchers, I hope you enjoyed that beginner embroidery tutorial. If you did, go ahead and follow my YouTube channel. I'm going to be sharing a lot more beginner embroidery videos for starting hand embroidery and what you need to know. So until next time.